Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve square root a plus square root a plus square root a by a equal 1, and we have to find the value of a. So let's start with today's video solution. So if from numerator, if I'll take square root a as common, so 1 plus 1 plus 1 by a equal 1. So it becomes square 3 square root a by a equal 1. Now this in denominator, this a, I can write it as square root a times square root a. So this will cancel out. So 3 by root a equal 1. So we can say that 3 equal root a. So root a equal 3. Now if I'll do squaring both sides, with the help of the square root removes. What is the value of a? 9. So now let's verify this. Square root a plus square root a plus square root a by a equal 1 or not. So it's square root 9 plus square root 9 plus square root 9 by 9. So square root 9, we can write it as 3 square plus under square root 3 square plus under square root 3 square by 9. So with the help of the square root removes. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 by 9. 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9. 9 by 9 is equals to 1. So LHS is equals to RHS. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.